Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to verify your Google My Business account without video. So first of all, navigate to business.google.com and log in using the Google account associated with your business. Once you're logged in, select or create the business you want to verify. For example, I will name this business this and I will add the business category as video shop. Now, I will click on next. Now, choose whether you want to add location that customers can visit. I will choose no and click on next. Now, I will have to enter an address. I will choose this and click on next. Now, I'll have to enter a phone number and I will click on next. Now, I will enter my mailing address and I will click on next. Now when I click on next, I'll be promoted to this page where it will ask me to record a video of my business. So I will just click on more options and click on verify later button and I will click on verify later button here. But you can see you can continue making edits to your business on Google, but they will not be visible to customers until you complete the verification. So I will just click on verify later button here and click on next. Now I'll have to choose the services I provide and I will click on next, or I can just skip these and click on next. I can add a business description, the photos, but I will just skip these steps for now. So as you can see, this is my business and it's not verified. So I will click on get verified now. Now I will click on next. So it will take me to this page where I will have to just click on change option button. So when you click on change option, you will see another options appearing like postcards by mail, phone call, text messages or email. But note that not every business will have every method. The option depends on your business type, location and history with Google. So if you don't see other methods after clicking on change option, that means there is only one way to verify yourself, that is through recording a video of your business, not through any other way. But if you see the options, then you can easily bypass that specific step. Now, Google will mail you a postcard with a code that will arrive in 5 to 12 days if you have chosen postcard. If you'll have chosen phone or SMS, you will get a call or text with 6-digit code if your business is eligible. Now, if this appears, that is email, the code will be sent to your business email. Choose the one that works for you and click continue. Once you receive the code, go back to your business profile dashboard, enter the code in the box provided and hit submit. And you will get a confirmation message once the account is verified. And that's how you verify your Google My Business profile without using video. Depending on your business type and history, you may still qualify for phone, postcard or email verification. So it's worth checking carefully. If this video helped, be sure to like the video, subscribe and drop any question in the comments below. See you in the next one.